Good morning from sunny Napton, and I've just got to give you a quick bit of a wildlife, well, not wildlife, flora and fauna. We've got some of my grandmother's bluebells here, if you can see them, and my sister Ruth sent me some, oh, hello Spockton, who's getting involved. Look, we've got some cowslips. Oh wow. In amongst lots of smart boxes, lots of work boxes, lots of belly weights, a few Peruso mower collectors out front, and yeah, more boxes. So as usual, it's really busy, thankfully. Because we're also spending some of our hard-earned cash, as you will soon see. So the building work is progressing well at the moment. So if I just nip in here, and we can see iron's busy. Yet more boxes being built. And over yonder we've got a Ryetec, another Ryetec coming together, and I'll spin you round. We'll have a look. Oh, come on for camera, there we go. Spin you round. So there's another Ryetec going to Mr. Hall, who actually just sent a message through Facebook saying, when's my Ryetec coming? Well, David, there's your Ryetec, and it's ready for delivery next week. Meantime, there's a Packer roller frame there for a Ryetec, and there's a Packer roller for a Ryetec, and quick little run down here because you all need to hear me out of breath. And over there and down here, and so here we go. And there's some bracketry, so that go there for the, you can see the blue bits of plastic where the sheet's been taken off ready, connecting in crane rails, and there are the crane rails in question, and the steel which has just arrived this morning going up next week on the east wing. And as we speak, here comes another load of concrete, because we're also, catch up with this guy, concrete arriving, because we're concreting the footings for the third part of the massive, before I get run over, through here. So you can see the west wing. We're just waiting for a crane, then we put the sheets on. Look at this, men and concrete in perfect harmony. Sunglasses, look, it's a beautiful day. Morning, chaps.
Morning.
So we've got the footings in down the back of the storage building, and we've got some big hoils waiting for some concrete for the storage building. So it's all go, but you know, and if you want to see some concrete being poured, I'm sure that'll be very exciting. Let's get him rigged up. There's one thing, I don't think this building's going to blow away. There's 15 tons of concrete in that footing apparently. So, men at work. So that is how we do that. And as if you needed reminding, we better have a look in the factory, see what's actually going on. So we'll more everywhere you go, there's weight box lids and nameplates and carcasses. There's boxes awaiting paint, and there's riot frames painted, and packer rollers been prepared, and what was I just saying about nameplates? So those are backing plates for work boxes waiting to be painted, and wing extensions for restorers, and more wing extensions. Oh, you don't want to see my belly. More wing extensions for work boxes, and kits for compact boxes, and boxes waiting to be painted, and packer rollers for restorer wings that Marik's on with there, hiding around the corner. Hello, Marik. And this is a new machine, and you see we've got another Riot frame there, just finished welding. Restorer ALD frames coming through, and this is the beginnings of our new HD machine, HD restorer. So that machine can hot off the press. This machine is a 6 metre base, and it can have 7 and 8 metres added. This machine is going to be at serials. So it's currently in kit form, so Luke is going to have to get cracking. He's just clearing his workspace out, ready to start, because I think we're just waiting for some steel to arrive today, in fact, so he can begin that process. And what else have we got to show you? Well, you can just see we're absolutely rammed. We're absolutely rammed with frames and various stages of fabrication. So and all the time there's more kits coming in, ready to, as you can see, there's we've got bits of steel everywhere, and hopefully we've got, I'll go and show you, in fact I'll go and show you, because I'll go and show you the lads who are trying to keep a handle on all of this, because it's not an easy job. It really isn't an easy job, keeping all that flow of metal parts. Oh, there's more. So more steel parts, bushes, and those are all disc carriers waiting to go through to be welded. And I haven't prepared him for this, but here's Chris. And Chris is staring incessantly at this order.
Well, it's not our compact boxes, our stock.
All right, this is so, and colour coded for green means it's been done. White means it's waiting to be done, does it? Correct, pretty much. Yeah. So that's Chris trying to keep all that steel you've seen outside in order. Iron's here, looks like he's doing some serial number plates. And James is working on updates to drawings so we can crack on with the next gang of riots, basically. So yeah, that's other way. Sorry, come here, camera. And the other side of things, look, Max is here, fending off more orders, and the office is buzzing away like a buzzy thing. And also Paintman's been in, and we're, as you can see, Rytecing up the new offices, and which includes a Ryetec staircase, and there we go, an upstairs office space with a commanding view of what's going on downstairs. So there you go, folks. It's all happening today. We'll see you next time.